Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be drawing inspiration from Elsa. We all know Elsa, right? From Frozen/Frozen 2. It's the Let It Go girl. Why did I do a Spider-Man hand? Yeah, that one. So if you would like to see how I transform myself from this to this, then just keep on watching. Don't get mad, but I'm using the mini controversy once again. You seem to be enjoying the videos I make. They get a lot of views, so I guess people enjoy them. I'm showing you yet another look with this palette because, you know, again, not everyone looks at this and thinks, oh, it's such a versatile palette, but it is. I'm going to start by priming my eyes, and today I'm going to mix it up a little bit, and I'm using the Anastasia eye primer. I'm using new brushes today. They are the Jazz Ups, just in case you want to get some. I got them off Amazon for like 15 quid, super affordable. I got like the 15 pack, and the first brush I'm going to use is already my favorite. I tried a couple of these off camera. I'm going to pick up the 228 and I'm dipping into Root Beer, the middle shade. I'm putting Diet Root Beer in my crease from the very inner corner to my outer corner, and I'm blending it in. I always leave a tiny gap close to the brow for the highlight, but I will take this up into the front of my brow. So I'm not picking up any more product, I'm just dragging what I have in the brush and in my crease. I'm now going to take 234 Luxe Smoky Shader brush, and I'm picking up Controversy on this brush. I love this colour, and I'm going to stamp this on my mobile lid, and I'm only doing the outer corner first. I'm really packing it on up to the crease and slightly above, so like just ever so slightly above the crease. And then with the 227 Luxe Soft Definer, I'm going to blend the edge of Controversy into the brown, into whatever I already have. I am of course going to wing this out, so I'm dragging this blend out. She's got very rounded eyes, but I like this shape on my eyes more. Take your time blending. The more you blend, the nicer it will look. If you blend it out too much, you might want to reapply the shade. Cold never bothered me anyway. Now I've got this blended out, I'm taking that 234 and dipping into Controversy once again, and I'm going to focus it on my inner portion of my eye. Elsa seems to be having a purpley halo eye, especially in the first movie. I haven't seen the second one yet. I've only been inspired by the screenshots online. So I've put this in my inner corner, and I'm taking that 227 to blend. I'm joining the outer corner with the inner corner at the top, above my crease. This look doesn't have too many steps, so you might as well focus on the nice blend. Take your time. I'm taking that 228 one more time, and the tiniest little bit of Diet Root Beer at the very tip, and I'm going to reapply it right here. I lost that orange hue a little bit. And this is the part where I'm not sure whether I should cut the crease or just go straight on with my shade. So I'm going to blend a little bit more and think about it. Okay, I think it might look just a little bit neater, just a little bit better when I do cut the crease. So I'm going to take the same eye primer and cut the crease in the center to make a halo eye. By the way, I'm using 312 a detail liner. So far, not my favorite for this. but I'm just gonna go with it. 233 cream shader brush, and exposed the light purpley shade to set this. And now I'm going to take Controversy again and blend this halo eye in. And to add even more, little bit more dimension, I'm going to flip that 233 and take Flat Earth, the bluish shade, and then just tap this in the very, very center of the halo eye. Just a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna do my other eye off camera and I will be right back. I look more like Ursula from Little Mermaid, but we're gonna fix that, don't worry. I want to do my base and then I'll come back to the eyes. I want a flawless, flawless, flawless skin. So today I'm going to be using Juvia's Place I Am Magic Foundation, and I'm the shade 700 Vienna. For my concealer today, I will be using Catrice Liquid Camouflage because I love it. And I'm setting everything with Fenty Beauty powder. Elsa only has blush, but she not fair, so I'm going to sculpt a little bit before I blush, and I'm using the Revolution Patricia Bright face palette. I've got the Moonlight Glow for fair skin, and I'm using the contour shade first. The reason why I didn't use my usual matte base concealer from Revolution today is because it just warms up my face a lot and I didn't want it to overwhelm the whole look. I just need to sculpt today rather than bronze, so that's what I'm doing with this face palette. It's a lot cooler in tone, so it's not going to bronze me up too much, it's just going to slim my face a little bit. I'm also going to contour my nose with this a little bit. Elsa is a cartoon. She's got a beautiful, cute little nose. I'm also going to use the blush in this palette for that beautiful blushy look. And I'm using quite a big brush, and you really want to kind of blend it in with that contour. I always add a little bit of blush on the tip of my nose. But it's up to you. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. For my highlight, I want to use that highlighter I had in the Gingerbread House Advent Calendar. If you haven't seen that video yet, go and check it out. It might be a lot, but I like highlight, so it's fine. As expected, it's quite glittery, but once that glitter is fluffed off, we are left with a very nice highlight. But there's like loads of particles just flying about. Got glitter all over my face now. Maybe it's like the first layer. I'm hoping it's only the first layer. Go away, glitter particles. We don't want you. Let's see. Nope. It just has glitter, like big specks of silver particles in it. Oh well. Like I said, the best solution for that is just to apply your highlight and then like take a big fluffy brush and blend it in, reapply it, blend it in. Not bad, but not my fave. Alright, before I finish off my eyes, I'm going to do my brows because they look horrendous. I need to brush out all the powder, all the foundation out of them. And then I reckon I'm just going to do them the regular way because mine are pretty arched and so are Elsa's. I know hers are a lot thinner, but I would rather not look like her and have my own brows than having to pluck them and then cry about it. They are thick today, like thick with 3 C's. That's how thick they are. Alright, time to finish off the eyes. I'm going to pick up that 234 and Controversy. I'm taking it on the very tip of that brush and I'm going to stamp it on my lower lash line, and I'm taking it all the way into my inner corner. And then I'm going to take the 227 to blend this in very gently. I don't want it like smoked out too far. And now I'm going to take 228, dip the very tip into Diet Root Beer to give like almost a hue of that brown underneath the purple. So I'm mimicking the top, just a mini version, not as crazy. No, wait, I can't do it there. Is that what she does on the poster? It is, isn't it? This is the part where you have options. You could either use a black eyeliner or a purple eyeliner. I'm going with a purple and I'm lining my top and bottom waterline. And I am going to take that 234 just to blend this purple in. It really ties the look together. Highly recommend doing that. Highly recommend doing that. This does turn the eye look very smoky, so if you don't want it, then add like a light kohl liner, so a white, a cream, something like that. I've got no brow bone highlight and I don't like it. To minimize the amount of products I use, I'm just going to pick up that Patricia Bright Revolution palette and take the highlight from there. I'm just adding a little bit of that highlight on my inner corner as well. By the way, I'm using 230 Luxe pencil brush. I really like it. For my mascara today, I'm using Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. I think what Elsa is wearing is something like a movie pink, and let's see if it works. I'm using Color Riche Matte from L'Oreal 640 Erotique. I don't know, it kind of works, but bye. Let's use something else. I think a perfect lipstick for this would be Medusa from Jeffree Star. I don't have that lipstick, so I'm going to make my own similar shade. I'm taking Posh Spice and I'm Royalty, and I'm going to mix the two. Club 96. Anyone know where that's from? If you do, you're amazing. So here it is. This is my final Elsa inspired look. I hope you have enjoyed it. I hope you like it. I like it very much. I love wearing purple on my eyes, and that lower lash line is everything. A lot of purple, but I don't mind it. Have you seen Frozen 2 yet? Because I haven't. I want to see it. I'm not the biggest Frozen fan, but I hear Frozen 2 is better than the first one. By the way, I'm wearing Sminko lashes, of course, in the style Idealne, just in case you wanted to know. I really like this look. I'm not sure about the hair though. I'll probably do something else, something Elsa. I hope you have enjoyed that. If you did, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I hope to see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. You are the best.